So the giant mealworms at room temperature have been running for 25 minutes now. I'm waiting for the last data point to appear on the table here that is connected to our sensor. So there's the sensor there. I've got my cold water ready for the next part of the experiment, but these are the mealworms themselves, the sensor, and this is your data here. So I'm just waiting for that last 30-minute recording to come up, and it's these numbers here that you're going to be putting into the data table. I'll show you how you're going to be doing that because we want to record them from 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and 30 minutes. And we're going to have to transform that data to the total CO2 produced over time. So we'll talk a little bit more about how we transform that data because there is a series of data tables that you will be filling out. Those data tables include not only the masses of your worms and your bean sprouts, because we need the mass in grams to calculate, excuse me. We want to be able to calculate the amount of CO2 that's being produced per gram of the organism. And then we have data table 2, where we're going to put our raw data in, which is the numbers that are here. And we're going to have to transfer that data into CO2 produced, cumulative CO2 over time, into data table 3. And then once we have the data table 3 completed, where we know how much CO2 is being produced over the 30-minute period, then we want to divide each increment by the mass of the organism so we can get the cumulative CO2 produced per gram. And we just got our 30-minute reading there, so our experiment has finished its runtime. I will take a picture of this as well, and I'll be posting more pictures of the cold data for the worms and also the room and cold for the mung beans.